That's what 16 inches of snow is. Yep. Oh, let us know. Still coming down. Lovely. Let us know. That's 16 inches of snow. And I can't even open the door. Jesus, this is ridiculous. Holy shit. Yeah, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous weather. Can you just... What the hell is this shit? Okay. Now I gotta get the dog. Who's tied to freaking... Yeah, she... They're tied. Yep. Try to open the door. Hold on. I know. Gotta give me a minute. Gotta let me open the door. You wanna go to the bathroom, don't you? My problem is I got a hole in the fence, so guess who's jumping around the... Yeah. What are you doing? Naya, come on, over here. Naya, what are you doing? Naya, move. Come on. Jesus. Over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, it was... Can you just say a whole shitload of snow in Pennsylvania? Guess what? It's not done. We still have like 9 more hours of this. 9 more hours. I think we're gonna probably get like 5 more inches. Yeah, this is ridiculous.